Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a tourist visa to travel to Brunei. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this embassy of, or you can say High Commission of Brunei Darussalam in New Delhi, India. Because whenever it comes to apply any visa for any country, the very first thing you should check that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, duration and purpose, you may or may not actually need a visa. And you should check process as per the official entity of your destination country that covers your residential area. Because based on that, there could be additional document steps, even fee too. So here on this website under consular services, as I have opened, they have given the information that what is required. Okay, and even they have given country wise breakup too if you go down. Okay, so now check your country where it is. Okay, and they have given if you get visa on arrival, or we have other countries those who have visa arrangements with Brunei. Okay, so let's go for India. So if you hold a diplomatic and official passport, you can stay for 40 days without visa. But most of us will not, so that's why then we have to. So how to apply? The steps are given here. You need to fill a visa application form per applicant. Passport needs to be provided. Okay, a copy of passport should be provided along invitation letter from sponsor or statutory declaration. Okay, two recent passport size photograph, confirmed travel itinerary, accommodation proof, marriage certificate if applicable, spouse passport if applicable. Okay, birth certificate for children if applicable. Now these things don't come every time. And bank statement to prove finances. If you want to include additional document, like you can include travel insurance too. That will definitely add boost to this. Okay. So they have given the time when it can be submitted. Okay. So make sure you follow this. So basically, in first half they are taking the application, second half they are issuing the visa. Fee is given for short visit, single entry 1000 rupees, multiple entry 2500. That's not too much. Okay. And all other information you can see here. All right. So you can go through it and you can prepare your documents. And once ready, let's go through this. So guys, on the embassy website, I have had trouble opening this visa application form, but when I went to Ministry of External Affairs website, there I could easily get it. Okay. So see the photograph section there, full name, name in Chinese character if applicable, don't worry about it. Present nationality, former nationality if applicable. Matter status, gender, date of birth, place of birth, this should match with your passport. Occupation, home address, religion, uh, passport information, purpose of entry, contact address in Brunei. Okay, so provide that. It's pretty simple form. There's no sample. I don't think I have to provide any sample. Particulars of persons accompanying applicant and included in his passport. Provide that information. Type of visa, single, multiple employment. Has the applicant been refused entry or deported from any country? Convicted in any country? Length of stay? Date of entry? Date of previous visit if applicable? Financial information. Present address, phone number. Date signed. Okay. So that's how simple it is, guys, and we have already seen the process, how to book an appointment, how to go there, and all other information. So once you are through that, you can submit it, and this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.